Hi friends, today I will show you about CSS. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascade Style Sheet. CSS is very easy to understand. By CSS we can stylize our web page with colors, styles and themes. CSS can be used in three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. We have to call CSS by IDs and classes. What is inline CSS? An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline style, add a style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. Show you in practical. What is internal CSS? This tag open in head tag, then calling tag. Whatever you want to style. Then second parenthesis open and close between it. You will put property and value. Show you in practical. What is external CSS? At first we create a CSS file as name, any name CSS, then connect CSS file to your web page. It is also in the head tag. For calling ID, we use hashtag. For calling class, we use .tag. Show you in practical. What is CSS3? CSS3 is the latest upgrade in CSS levels. By using CSS3, you can easily use old CSS elements as well. There are a lot of new modules has been added in CSS3, but we must know that CSS3 is still under development and will be completed after some times. But most of its elements implemented in all major browsers. CSS3 has new text module. CSS3 has new font module. CSS has transition and animation module. CSS3 has filters module. CSS3 has columns module. CSS3 has the standard of media queries.